Earlier this day, I earned over $700 online from nothing more than listening to music, and in this video, I'll demonstrate how anyone can do the same with a new account and a laptop or smartphone. The first thing that you have to do is visit this website called mixkit.co. As you can see here, it's mixkit.co once more. On the website mixkit.co, you might discover fantastic free resources for your projects. However, we won't be making any projects. We are simply going to demonstrate how to use this website as a place to listen to music, and then we'll show you how to use it to earn money in a moment. Now you are able to listen to music tracks as these ones right here, and I'll guide you on how to do so by clicking here. Let me just keep scrolling down here so you can see there are actually pages and pages of people. They may vary in price from $5.50 to $10, $8, and even up to $25. Let's fast estimate how much money you may make in a day from people using this way to earn money online just by listening to music. Simply by doing this, you can make literally $8 if you listen to just one song. If you listen to 10 songs, you're going to get paid about $80. If you listen to 20 songs, you'll be given $160. If you listen to 50 songs, you'll be paid $400. And if you listen to 100 songs, you'll be paid up to $800 and more than this. Since this technique is totally free, no investment is required, and even beginners who have never earned money online can use it, be sure to have your smartphone or laptop close by. But before we get started with today's video, subscribe to my channel to stay updated whenever I drop a new video about making money online by MoneyFlow with the simplest and easiest way of earning money. Turn on your post notification to be the first one using the method and earning a good amount of money by new and easy tutorials. These audio clips are free to use and can be used without giving credit or even registering on the website. There are literally hundreds of thousands of songs on this website. If you scroll down here on Mixkit, you can see all the songs that we will be using to earn revenues from this website. And in this video, I am going to give you at least 3 special tips to help you make even more money with this website. Now I want you to scroll up to the word genre, and if you just sway your cursor over it, it will display the many musical genres that are offered on this site. Now before I show this website, give it a thumbs up. And if you are interested in making money online, subscribe to my channel. I want to share with you a concept that is a bit more unique. Therefore, go on top and open either the acoustic genre or the hip-hop genre category. On this page, you can find hundreds of free downloadable hip-hop tracks in addition to this collection of free acoustic tracks. You are not required to listen to the entire song since there are hundreds more songs we're going to do this to. So let's move on to this one right here and click onto the play icon so that we can begin listening to it. Currently that you've found the download button, which is located just under the play button, click on it to start downloading the song to your computer. When the download is complete, repeat the procedure with the following tune right here to download it as well. And to maximize your earnings with this technique, continue doing this and download as many tracks you possibly can to your laptop. In a moment, I'll explain how we'll be making money with the entirety of these downloaded songs for the next stage, so I need you to go to www.upload-4ever.com, which is an online platform that will pay you for uploaded files and images. We'll be uploading all the music tracks we recently downloaded from mixkit.co on this site. And as I previously mentioned about Up4Ever, before I continue, if you want to know more, you will find the link in the description below. Every time someone downloads one of our music files from Up4Ever, we are going to receive dollars. To use this strategy to earn money online quickly, all you need to do is here. Simply return to mixkit.co and download any of the tracks from any one of those categories. After that, upload the track to Up4Ever. On this page, they have a 4-tier structure of deposits that organizes the amount of money you will be paid based on where you got the largest number of your downloads. For example, if your downloads from the United States and Canada are in Tier 1, and you will earn $7, while downloads from Australia are in Tier 2, and you will be earning $4. It indicates that countries in Tier 4 will pay you at least $3, while those in Tiers 3 and 2 will pay you around $4. Saudi Arabia and the UAE are in Tier 3, so you will be earning $4, while the rest of the world is in Tier 4. On this webpage, you may earn money in a minimum of 5 different ways, including paid for each download, paid for each referral, mix website banners, and selling your files. This is an additional exciting thing I must include here. They offer you a trusted electronic bank widely used even in local and Arab countries to help with the arrival of payments, no matter where you are. To point out a few, they have a PayPal, Option Payer, WebMoney, Pioneer, Bitcoin, Western Union, Cash Plus, and several others. Additionally, their minimum payment is as low as $1, which indicates that you are able to withdraw your earnings as soon as you earn your first $1. I'll give you a concrete example of how you can start earning money on this online platform immediately, so be sure to watch the video to the end. If you have any problems, comment below, and I will be happy to help you. Stick with us until the end of this video, and I'm sure you'll be able to make a lot more money by the website that I will show you. Okay, so now, let's return for making much more online. Let's go to this page and click the sign up button. Always make sure to enter your username and passwords in this section. The sign up procedure is really simple and takes just a few seconds to accomplish. Enter your email address here, then click the CAPTCHA, and then press the sign up icon. By the way, once your account is ready, come here to sign in. Also, if you'd like to do so by signing in with using your Facebook, Twitter, or Google, you can go ahead and do it. Now click on the place that says, Welcome, select my account. Once you click on Welcome, select my account, you will immediately be taken to your dashboard where I will guide you through the process of creating your own account, so you can easily and quickly make money. By the way, don't forget to click on the payment information button and complete setting up the payment method of your choice. Choose the appropriate category from here, then click Save. We will now begin uploading the files containing music that we previously downloaded onto this site by going to the left side of the screen and clicking on Upload Files. However, before you begin downloading, make sure to pay attention to these cautions up here at the top of the page. Firstly, you must agree with the terms of service and stay away from uploading any content that does so, or your account may be suspended. Now make sure your ad blocker is off, as it could cause problems with the upload process. Another additional advice for you is to make sure that you pick public, as we are about to begin uploading the music file by hitting this button here. Once it is done, you will be able to see it straight away. To provide the ability for people to access your music file without issues. Making sure to fill in the name of the song as well as the artist is an additional helpful suggestion here. To do this, just visit the Mixkit webpage, find the names of the song and the artist, and after that, you can enter them straight in this box to optimize your files. Then, since when you have completed the process, choose to start upload. You will need to wait a little while for the procedure to finish, and for the uploaded files to be saved, according to the quality of your internet connection. The next step is to determine a price for your music file to ensure that you will receive a minimum of $7 for each time a person downloads it. Repeat this method for as many times as you can by returning to the Mixkit website, downloading the music tracks there, and receiving payment for those music tracks for a considerable amount of time, considering you set this up correctly. That's all there is to it. If you want to learn even more methods to make money online, subscribe to our channel, because you will be able to make a good amount of money, so give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Turn on your post notification to stay updated. If you are interested about making money online and with the simplest and easiest ways such as searching on Google and getting money. So what are you waiting for? Go now and watch the video that's appearing here now. See you next video. Thank you for watching.